Today we're going to discuss a minor in possession. Now, a minor in possession first offense in Michigan is a civil infraction. A second offense and on is a misdemeanor. But it's very important to understand a couple of facts. If you have an out-of-state driver's license other than Michigan, if your home state still considers an MIP to be a misdemeanor, uh, a civil infraction in Michigan can suspend your license in your home state. I've had clients who have contacted me after the fact. They went to court on their own. They pled responsible to a civil infraction. They went on their way. Then they get a letter in the mail stating your license is suspended for X period of time because of your minor possession in Michigan. So a home state can still consider the minor possession to be a misdemeanor, can still suspend your driver's license. Now, if you have a Michigan driver's license, a first offense MIP should not have an impact on your license, but it is a civil infraction. The court can require you to do a number of different steps in order to complete your case, and one MIP will then lead to a second MIP if you have an additional one in the future. An MIP can also be viewed by future employers, loan applications, grad schools, because it is a public record. It's a civil infraction, but it's a public record. So a company can see that and think whatever they want. They may or may not care that it's a civil infraction in Michigan. They'll have their own interpretation of it. How much value do they place on you underage drinking in college? Maybe nothing, maybe a lot. It really depends upon the company, the school, or whatnot. So the number one goal when charged with an MIP in Michigan, even if you're in-state or out-of-state in terms of your driver's license, is to work out an alternative resolution with the prosecuting attorney. Now, in the past, I've been able to achieve this result for clients with MIPs for civil infractions in the city of Ann Arbor, but it is certainly not easy. It's a case-by-case basis. All of my clients are extremely proactive on day one. We need to do everything in our power to demonstrate to the prosecutor just how seriously you're taking this offense, what you've learned from it. It takes a lot more than telling them that you're a good student, come from a good family, you're a responsible person. The only thing they know about you is this ticket and your name. We need to fill in the blanks, and those blanks need to be things like alcohol insight, community service. They need to be potentially talking to a counselor. Now, this may seem like overkill for a civil infraction for an MIP, and if it is, then go forward and put an MIP on your record. If you're looking for an alternative solution, well, we need to take an alternative path, and that path is being proactive. So if you're issued an MIP in the city of Ann Arbor, contact me. I'm going to ask you to send me your ticket. There's going to be valuable information on there for me to review. Upon reviewing that, I'll let you know what I think about those chances. If I think there's a good chance we can work towards that outcome, I will let you know. If I think the facts lean towards it being more difficult, I'm going to be upfront and honest with you. I want you to be informed, I want you to be educated, and I want to get a great result with you.